就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you the phrase to take a picture, 拍照。
翕相。
翕相. And do you feel like everyone loves taking pictures? It's because it's so convenient right now because all our cell phones have that function. 其实现在为什么会这么多人拍照啊？当然，我觉得是手机融入了对这个照相功能，然后那个照相功能反而成为这个手机最重要的一个功能之一。
很轻薄
对啊，我们现在不是在玩手机，我们都在玩照相机，只是刚好它可以上网的那种概念 ，right? So let's talk about this situation, how convenient it is to take pictures with your cell phone, all right? 现在的手机好方便 ，cell phones are so convenient nowadays.
亚哈给手机耶，
亚哈给手机耶。
东风片，
东风片 ，OK， 东风片就是很方便。don't forget it means very 风片 that means convenient, all right? And nowadays our cell phones 手机叫做
手机耶，
手机耶 that's a cell phone. 对呀，还可以拍照 ，that's right, and you can take pictures with it.
嘿呀，
嘿呀，
杭州的翕相，
杭州的翕相 ，OK, that means yes, you can take pictures 翕相 we just taught you that. 杭州的 that means
还可以，
也可以，还可以这样子 right? That means you can also take pictures with it. 这个时候就来拍一张吧。
真的吗？有这个荣幸吗
Alice， 我很少跟你一起自拍耶。坦白讲，等一下真的来拍一张，好不好？
好啊，好啊。
不然我们来教大家怎么说这句话。那我们来拍一张合照吧。Let's take a picture together.
给人来，
給人來，
向下翕，
向下翕，
一種好咧。
一種好咧。
給人來，向下翕，一種好咧。
向下翕就是
一起拍
一起拍。向下翕 ，hip again is the action to take a picture. 向下 that means together. Let's take a picture. Not bad at all, right? Now you know how to have a conversation like this. How about let's review some of these terms? 我们来 review 几个单字咯。
OK
包括大家人手都有一只的手机啊。
手機耶，
手機耶 that's a cell phone. And then convenient 方便。
風片，
風片 and then don't forget if you want to take a picture together, you can say 一起拍。
向下翕，
向下翕 that means to take a picture together. And this month we're teaching you 拍照 to take a picture.
翕相。
翕相好，
那我们就来3連拍。
哎，可以啊，对啊，要3连拍的可爱，对不对？1、2、3这样子。
OK
好，准备好了？3、2、1，咔嚓咔嚓咔嚓。That does it for today's practical Hakka on ICRT.
什麼睇㗎？
漢字寫張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.